Welcome to another how-to video. My name is Ditech, CTO at DVS, and today we're going to take a look at something new that we're offering via one of our partnerships. So Super Rod, the guys that have brought you the best cable installing accessories you've ever had the pleasure of using. So whether it's taking the frustration, the stress, time saving, upping the efficiencies, etc., or getting cables that there is no other way of getting down cavities, etc., without Super Rod. Now, if you haven't checked them out, we offer them, so please go check them out. But via that partnership, we're also bringing you Klein Tools. Now, Klein Tools is a absolutely fantastic, high quality craftsmanship in tools. So, originate from the USA. They're the exclusive distributor in the UK. We've decided to bring this to our customer base because I'm a massive tool fan myself. I've got a lot of tools. I am a massive tool, and this is something I just can't fault the quality of it. For those of you who use those other well-known brands, this is definitely something you should take a look at and an interest in. Very cost-effective as well. So we'll start with the Tradesman Pro bag. So for those of you that use the other well-known tool bag, absolutely can't fault it. This is a cost-effective alternative to it. So it's made with high-grade Cordura, double stitching, absolutely industrial strength zips, lovely adorned in like that lovely orange piping. It's got pouches to put your drinks holders, your hammers, your accessories, your flipping drills. You've got pouches on the front for your sandwiches and your snacks. Why not? And then when you open the actual toolbox up, or bag, but it's also got padded straps with a padded back piece, so it makes carrying your tools, especially when there's weight, really simple. So reinforced straps with the securing latch there. But when you open up the tool bag, it opens up in a nice, easy to use, so all your tools are accessible. It's nice and easy to use. It's got that lovely orange interior. Yes, we'd love to have it in DVS green, but no, they don't do it currently in DVS green. But plenty of tool pouches to put your hammers, chisels, screwdrivers, all the tools you'd ever want in there. But also we're offering this as a kit, so you can buy it as a kit with the tools I'm going to show you now, or you can buy the tool parts by themselves if you want to check out the quality to make sure this is something that you want. So in the box we've got a screwdriver set, so a Klein VDE, so again same color scheme, so that nice orange VDE, so electrically insulated screwdrivers. So you've got posies and street in there. 160mm cable cutters, so definitely electrical CCTV security work, you need them. An aluminium torpedo spirit level, so it's magnetic, same color scheme, very high quality. Honestly, it's hard to show on a video, but that is very high quality. Yes, there is a bit of a price tag in comparison to your cost-effective solutions that you can buy from any electrical outlet, non-branded, but these are very high-quality craftsmanship, and if you're like me and you like to invest in your tools, this is an investment worth doing. So spirit level, we've got the industrial double-sided tape measure, and again, a lot of weight to that. You can feel the quality just by the weight of it, so that's lovely. We also got crimpers, so we got pass-through RJ45 crimpers and the BNC version of that, so RG59, etc. We do that version as well, so they're the pass-through ones that we can also offer. And past that, there's lots and lots of pockets for you to put in all your different tools, so they're easily accessible, easily laid out. And we're also going to add in a couple more, so the RG59 crimper we're going to add in as a kit, and we're also going to add in hopefully a Stanley knife, or equivalent, other brands are available, and a hacksaw, junior hacksaw, because that will complement this kit. Past that, effectively, from the Klein range, we can get anything you want. So if you need anything that you don't see here, test tools, etc., we're going to look to build on this, bring this to our customer base and look to ultimately build on it to get it out there and our customers using it. So hopefully you'll enjoy the quality as much as I do. Definitely worth checking out. Really nice price point on it, and the quality is literally unbelievable. So get in contact with your DVS specialist if you want to know more or you want to see any more information. Please do let us know. Stay safe, and we'll see you very soon.